Taurus. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot, mga kapatid na OFW. Another reading, another year, new moon, January 18. Mayroon pong new moon. Ang message niya po sa January 18 is about setting yung long-term goals po. Okay? Taking responsibility. Yan ang isang message. At saka prepare for new growth and opportunities. Yes? So check natin. Check natin, Taurus, ang message sa'yo, what you need to know. Tignan natin kung ano ang applicable for Taurus this coming January 18. New moon. Okay. Give me one card. Taurus, hardworking, earth sign people. Ano ang message ng new moon January 18 to our friends Taurus? Okay. Oops. Bigyan natin ng magandang storyboard si Taurus. One card. Simulan natin. One card, Taurus. Yes. Okay. Oh, nakikipagtalo ka. 7 of 1. Okay? Pinaninindigan mo. Pinaninindigan mo yung tama mong ginawa o pinaninindigan mo yung mali mong ginawa. Yeah? New moon is about taking responsibility. So, walang tama, walang mali sa decision natin, but we need to own it. So, may effect po yan. May effect po ang ating decision in the past sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Yes? Okay. So, yan ang new moon message. So, kung anong decision mo in 2025, we need to take responsibility. Pero it doesn't mean na may stuck tayo at makikipagtalo. There's always preparation for new growth at new opportunities. Yeah, ganun po yung buhay. We don't just give up dahil sa nagkamali tayo or nadapa. Okay, ituloy natin yung storyboard. New moon, January 18. Ang ating mga hardworking Taurus friends. Yep, okay, give me blind spot, give me one card for Taurus friend. Okay, yeah, expansion, yeah, it's all about expansion. kung pinanood niyo po yung new moon at full moon ko last December 19 at saka January 3, okay, this reading is for January 18. Itinutuloy ko po yung yung sequence para ma-follow nyo yung ninyo, yung preparation ng buhay natin for 2026. Yes? Expansion. Meron kang pinaglaban, maaring nakuha mo o ayaw pong ibigay o ipinaglalaban mo until now, or natatakot ka. You have the full card here. Opportunity comes in. Yes? Okay, opportunity comes in. Ngayon, tatanggapin mo ba? Okay. Oops. Okay. Yeah. Connect with your friends. Connect with people who really love you and adore you. Yes? Okay. Hardworking, Taurus. People admire you. I think sinabi ko na ito, I admire Taurus people. Okay? I worked before with two hardworking Taurus sign. Yes? So, alam ko kung paano talaga mag-araro po yan. Okay, OFW po ako full-time. So, hindi po ganun kadali. Lalo kapag sa trabaho at maraming pressure at maraming responsibility. Pero nakita ko paano mag-roll up ng sleeve ang Taurus na yan. Walang complain. Very sensitive din. Very sensitive. Madalas ko rin nakakaaway. Pero, at the end of the day, masarap kasama sa trabaho kasi patas lumaban. Yeah? So, kung ang hinahanap mo, yung taong makaka-meet mo ay patas din ang laban sa iyo, makukuha mo yan. Yes? you're fighting for, ito yung, kaya sinabi ko na alam ko kung paano mag-roll up ng sleeve. Ang typical Taurus personality is, ano yan, quiet worker. Gagawin yan, hindi kailangan niyang ano yan, ng recognition. Yes? Hindi kailangan, tama po ba? Hindi niyo kailangan ng, ay, ang galing-galing mo, ay, ang tali-talino mo, ay, gagawin mo lang kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. And because you are paid for that. Yes? And you like also to work with those type of people surrounding you. Ayaw mo nang tatamad-tamad. For 2026, I think ang long-term goal mo is to prepare for new growth and expansion. Okay? 2025, mukhang nag-ano ka na naman dito, nag-araro, itong Taurus na nasa harapan ko. Okay? You've been doing that for a long time. Bam, na-bored ka, you're thinking of going somewhere else to find your tribe, yung katribo mo, people who are also ambitious and also thinking of the future. Ano po yan? Yung society, yung kung ano yung ayaw mo na ng pichi-pichi na naman. Okay? Si Taurus na nakikita ko rito. Ayaw niya na ng ano lang, ano ba tawag dito? Mediocre. Yes? Okay. Gusto mo na ng full experience for 2026. Yes? Which is good. Because yun po ang new moon message. January 18. Prepare for new growth and opportunity. So, kung nag-apply ka, kung meron kang inaamoy-amoy na bagong malaking sweldo, yes, ibibigay sa'yo yan. Ibibigay sa'yo yung intention na yan. Okay? I-set mo yung goal na yan. I-set mo yan, Taurus. yung maling decision mo in the past, forget about it. Huwag mo nang ano yan. Oh, see? In full circle ka. Meaning, nakatapos ka ng cycle. Huwag mo na intindihin yung pinagpaguran mo. Okay? Kung nakipagtalo ka ng walang kwenta, huwag mo nang ano yan. Huwag mo na silang pansinin. Kung nabastos ka, naagrabyado ka, huwag mo nang pansinin yan. Okay? Yan ang personality mo. Pero minsan, you overdo it also. Deep inside, hindi ko sinasabing hindi kayo naghahanap ng recognition. Naghahanap ka pa rin ng emotional connection. Yes? Highly sensitive yan si Taurus. Alam niyang mag-araro, pero you also give them the right respect. Yes? Yun ang hinahanap mo rito. Yes? Kumbaga sa body-body. Yeah? Gagawin mo yung trabaho, pero at the end of the day, iinom tayo ng beer pagkatapos. Yun ang hindi mo nakuha. Yun ang yun ang parang na-miss mo dito. Okay. So, yun naging dahilan sa'yo kung bakit gusto mo ng to venture out to something new. Okay? Kung ito yung minanifest mo towards beginning of the year, okay? Prepare for new growth opportunities. Take responsibility yung maling decision na ginawa. Again, no right or wrong. I don't want to sound negative. There's no right or wrong. Yung kumbaga sa hindi na umakma. It's no longer working. Yeah? You will be in full circle. Ayan, no? Yung eye, parang mata siya, oh. Okay? I forgot the name itong snake na ito. Ouroboros something. I forgot the name. Okay. But the world, okay, this is in full circle. Na-complete mo na. Itong Taurus na nasa harapan ko, it's time for you to set, not just set your intention, i-journal mo. Okay? I-journal nyo po. I-journal mo, Taurus, kung ano pa yung gusto mong makuha for 2026. Yan ang advice sa'yo ng New Moon. Okay. Ituloy natin yung storyboard mo. Okay. Hardworking people. I admire Taurus people. Scorpio po ako sa hindi nakakaalam. We are close with Taurus. Okay. Medyo controlling lang kayo minsan. Okay. Blind spot. Give me blind spot. What Taurus needs to know? Oops, hindi sa yan. Hindi ko kukunin. Lilitaw yan kung para sa iyo. Okay. Give me blind spot. Okay, pagod si Taurus. I can feel here. Pagod ka, Taurus. Okay, slow ko yung shuffle ko. Okay. Kumbaga sa may hangover. May hangover pero nasa back of your head, you're ready for new adventure. Okay. Taurus, new moon message for Taurus. Give me blind spot. May hangover pa si Taurus. Yeah. They work hard pero they know how to play also. Okay. Taurus, January 18. So, shout out po ako sa fellow OFW. Shout out po kung makaresonate, general reading. Kung hindi, wag pilitin. January 18. Okay. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. One card lang. One card. May tumao ba? Saldali lang, Taurus. Parang merong pick upin ko. Oops. Wala. Okay. Ulitin ko. Okay. Okay. Ituloy ko. Okay. I-shuffle ko. One shuffle. Okay. One shuffle. Okay. Okay. Taurus. Expansion. Preparation for long-term goal. Opportunities. Yeah, kailangan natin yan. What Taurus needs to know. Give me blind spot. Give me blind spot. One card lang. One card, Taurus. Yeah, dalawa, oh. May hangover pa siya. Okay. Hierophant. Yeah. This is your card. Struktura. Okay. That's your major arcana. Okay. Advice sa'yo, understanding also yung what you like. Understanding. Very important po yan sa atin, sa buhay natin. Kung if we do not know what we really like, minsan mahirap pong i-define. Okay? Hierophant, struktura, simbahan, nasa Biblia. Kung ano yung nasa Biblia, yun lang susundin. Yun ang ipa-follow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes? Eskwelahan. Kung ano yung subject, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes? 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Structure yan. Hindi natin matatakasan. Meaning, understanding yourself. Yes? Understanding. I-draw mo i-drawing board mo, ilagay mo sa story journal mo, Taurus, ano ang gusto mong ma-achieve? Ano ba itong expansion na ito? Yes? May hangover pa itong Taurus na ito. Okay. Judgment, this is karma. Yeah? So you will get what you itinanim. Ngayon, kung hinihintay mo yung promotion, this is something like that as well. Okay? Ano ba ang big shift? Yeah, ito yung sinasabi. Ikaw to, Taurus, pag-usapan ko yung dalawang card. Sabi dito, oh, Taurus, okay. Sige, ituloy mo yung pinaglalaban mo. If you believe in that, if you believe in yourself, you will win that. Yeah? Pero sabi pa rin ng angel, Taurus, okay, define your struktura. Yes, define mo. Okay? Kung gusto mong kumita ng 10,000 sa isang buwan, o gusto mong kumita ng 100,000 sa isang buwan. Okay? That's true. Okay? If you want to take preparation for new growth, kailangan natin i-identify talaga na kung magkaano talaga, something nasusukat. This is measurable. Okay? Ano po yan? Hindi po taro. Ano yan? Science po. At saka, yan ang rule ng negosyo. Kung gusto mong kumita ng 10,000 o gusto mong kumita ng 100,000, yan. Yan ang ipinaglalaban ni Taurus. Okay? Parang sinasabi ni Taurus dito, ang value ko ay dapat ganito. Yes? So, yun ang pinaglalaban niya. Marami akong in overtime, so dapat bayaran niyo ako ng ganito. Yes, yan ang pinaglalaban niya. Nagtatrabaho ko ng 24 oras, walang pahinga. So, dapat bigyan niyo ako ng respetong nararapat sa akin. Yes? Yan ang hinahanap niya na maaring hindi mo nakuha in the past. So, you're thinking of venturing out to a new adventure. Iniisip mo siya. Plant that. Long-term goal mo, new moon message sa'yo, Taurus, take responsibility. No right or wrong sa decision natin. Pero ang universe na nagsasabi sa'yo, Taurus, once na ma-define mo, ang definition mo, kung ano ang gusto mong ma-achieve, you're gonna end you're gonna end as a cycle and open up a new one. Okay? Cycle po yung buhay natin. Ito, tamang-tama for 2026. Yan ang message sa'yo, Taurus. Kasi sabi dito, Taurus, tumalon ka. You are ready to explore and you are ready to expand. Handa ka na. Alamin mo na lang kung ano ba yung gusto mong ma-achieve, okay? Iba yung message ng 5 of 1 dito sa akin. Okay. Alam niyo yung ruler, okay? So parang mini-measure ni Taurus yung ano niya, yung value. Okay? Because lumitaw yung card mo dito eh. Hierophant. So struktura po ito. Kasi Taurus, earth sign, alam niya yung 3D reality. Meron tayong mga hindi matatakasan sa paligid natin. So, yung turo ng eskwelahan, yung turo ng relihiyon, yung turo ng society, yung turo ng yung dictate ng how we were brought up when we are young, nung bata tayo, ng magulang, ng kapitbahay, yan, that's how we get our identity as a person. Yung mga kaibigan mong sinamahan, mga addict na nag-addict, na yung mga kalokohan, that's learning, po yan, experience. Kaya yung Hierophant, yan, very academic. Yan yung natutunan natin, yung values natin sa buhay. Yes? Ngayon, Taurus, sa nasa harapan ko, meron kang expansion. Okay? Yung measuring stick mo, alamin mo, ano sa palagay mo ang makapagpapasaya sa iyo para mas ma-achieve mo lalo yung hinahanap mo at makuha mo yung happiness na hinahanap mo. Yes? And once you identify that, okay, write it down, yun ang assignment mo because you're gonna achieve that for 2026. Very simple and very karmic. It's destined ka dito. Ang destiny mo is to grow and expand. Okay? I-define mo, ano ba yung expansion na gusto mo? Gusto mo ng 10,000 o gusto mo ng 100,000? Mamili ka. Okay. I just want to get one more blind spot. I just want to see the outcome. Okay. Balik ako dito sa card na ito. Balik ako dito. Okay. Magpapakapi ka, Taurus. Okay. You deserve this. Okay. I want to see the outcome. Give me blind spot. Outcome. Tignan natin. Okay. May hangover si Taurus. Okay. One blind spot. One blind spot. I want to see the outcome. Blind spot. Blind spot. Taurus. Taurus. New moon. New moon. Give me one card. Give me one card. One card. One card. One card. Blind spot. Blind spot. One card. Oops. Okay. Completion. Okay. Napagod ka. Napagod ka. You just want to end it up. Ayaw mo na rin sigurong makasakit pa. That's what I can feel here. Okay. Being earth sign, practical, once na natapos, once si Taurus may kinat na decision, pinaninindigan niya. Okay, that's one thing I also admire with Taurus people. Medyo sensitive, pero once na tinapos niya, inend niya, parang sinasabi niya, I deserve this. Ayan, no? Sila sabi, okay, wag mo nang paguran yung sarili mo, Taurus. Sabi nung Archangel Gabriel, or Raphael itong nandito sa judgment. Yeah? Binubusinahan ka na, oh. Taurus, okay. Sige, gusto mo bang magbuhatin lahat ng problema, lahat ng pangarap ng iba? Okay. You deserve that reset. So, jump. Okay. That's karma. I call judgment as a karma. Okay. So, parang sa Bible, yung mga mga sanga na hindi nagpupunla, itatapon. Tama po ba? That's how it is. At yung mga sangang magbubunga, mamumulaklak, magpo-flourish, ayan, magbubunga sila. Ihihiwalay ang mga I don't want to use yung mga dead woods to nice one. Tama po ba? That's karma. That's how I consider judgment card. Okay. So, nice reading. Okay. You deserve this, Taurus. January 18, new moon. Okay. Kuha tayo ng isang moon oracle to close the reading. Very nice reading, Taurus. Very nice reading. Okay. One moon card. One moon oracle card. Para sa mga hardworking, generous. Very generous ang Taurus. Kaya lang, huwag nyo lang silang ano ba to? I-cross, yung a-abuse or something. Yeah, okay. Ilan yung binigay? Binigay 3. Okay. Basahin natin. 1, 2, 3. Basahin natin. Binigay sa'yo 3. Okay. Sabi dito, ng Aquarius, kung may Aquarius friend ka, sabi niya, okay. The time is ripe for celebrating life. Okay? Make the most of parties, gatherings, and other social opportunities. Okay? Advanced reading tayo, Taurus. Okay? So, hindi pa tapos ang New Year. While I'm reading this, go out. Go out. Kaya sinabi ko, may hangover ka pa. Okay. You deserve it. After a year na nagtrabaho ka, okay, sige, hindi uminom ka ng mag-celebrate ka. Celebrate. Go out and party. Kasi mukhang darating ito ng mas maaga. I can smell this. I can smell this. Okay? Kung ano man ito, mas darating ng maaga. Okay? Go out. Go out, go out. Wag, tama lang. Wag naman masyadong wild. Okay? See? Close ang Taurus sa Scorpio eh. Okay. Negative attitudes and fiery arguments are possible at this time. Channel your energies into positive, what is that? Channel your energies into positive physical activities like decorating or gardening. Okay. Gardening. Okay. Ano ba okay, struktura. Okay. Mahilig ka bang ganito? Not literally gardening po yan. Okay. Struktura. What makes you happy? Definition. Definition. Okay. Go out and party. And also define your struktura. Preparation mo yan sa sa long-term goal mo. New growth. Okay. Last one. Okay. Moon. Moon card. Okay. Waning. Let go of that which is causing you inner turmoil. Now is a time for casting away emotion that are no longer serving you. Yeah. Ano yan? This is no longer serving you. Okay? Napagod ka na rito eh. Yes? And you just completed the cycle. You have the world car here. Okay? Kaya sabi ko si Taurus kapag ayaw niya na napagod na yan, ano lang yan, simple lang yan. Okay, thank you. Ganyan yan. Yes? And karma. Okay, this is a good karma for you. Sabi ganon, ay, Taurus, tuminutino ka. Yeah, go out and magparty ka. Finish line na ito eh, 10 of 1. Finish line na yan. After 10 of 1, hawak mo. Okay, something came in. Okay, 7 of 1, hawak mo yung ace of 1. That's your belief setting. Ang sabi mo rito, pupukpok ko kayo sa ulo kasi marami akong talento. So, I can I can move on and go to the expansion that I want. Yes, yun ang dikta sa'yo ng card mo, Hierophant. That's you. That's you, Taurus. Okay. So, very nice reading, Taurus. Magpapakape ka. Yun na, may blessing ka na, oh. So, anong gusto mo? 10,000 o 100,000? So, free will. So, yeah. So, hope you enjoyed the reading, Taurus. So, salamat po. See you again.